Facing the video resolution not supported error on TikTok on your iPhone? This usually happens because of unsupported file formats. Don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through how to fix the TikTok video resolution error on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. First of all, keep in mind that TikTok recommends videos with a resolution of 1080 by 920 pixels if it's 2K or 4K, so you need to compress the video. To do that, you need to use a video editing app to re-encode the video with the recommended specifications. So install a video editing app from the App Store. Like, I'm going to install the CapCut app. Now open the CapCut app. Next, choose the Edit tab below. Then tap on New Project. Now select the video you want to upload on TikTok. After choosing the video, tap Add from the bottom right corner. Here you will see a tab like AI Ultra HD or 4K or something else previous to export. Now you will see the resolution option. Now drag the scale to 1080p. Then tap on Export from the top right corner. Now go to the TikTok app. Upload this video. Now it will upload easily. Now that your TikTok video resolution not supported error is fixed on your iPhone, I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time.